Welcome to the Marty Sauce YouTube channel. If you're a marriage celebrant or officiant, then keep your eyes peeled on this video because today I'm going to be showing you how to build a website on our platform for your business. Now, if you've just randomly come across this video today, you haven't heard of Marty Sites yet. Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my markets. Marriage celebrant or officiant. Let's go ahead and select that one now. Great, let's go ahead and put in a few details so Marty Sites can generate a simple website for my small business. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, city, and state or region. Let's go ahead and put in our city and our state or region. It doesn't matter which state or country you operate in, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service and click on continue. And look at that, Marcy Sites has literally generated a simple website for my business in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some stunning images of all the weddings you've conducted and you want to display them on your website, maybe make one or two changes to that pre-written content. You can do that. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be working my way through each section from the top to the bottom so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works and how simple it is to use. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either. So let's get cracking making some amendments. I'm going to make my way to the top and click on the first section. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company email address as well as my phone number. Let's make sure this box is ticked to display my email address on my website. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my phone number as well as my physical location if I have one. Awesome. Let's go ahead and click save. Our physical location is displayed on our website. When our customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's head on over to update social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom of your Mighty Sites website so your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, and see what you're up to. Let's move on and head over to update logo. If you don't have a logo yet, I do recommend you check out canva.com. You'll find a few free great options on the website. Logo has been uploaded. However, I want to crop it ever so slightly so it fits in the section bed at the top. Let's go ahead and click on the little pencil and crop our image ever so slightly, or our logo, shall I say. You can add filters, you can decorate it, add frames, rotate, zoom, flip it, etc. Let's go ahead and re-upload the cropped version of my logo. Awesome. Let's go ahead and click on save. We can make it bigger and smaller if necessary. That sizing is excellent. So I'm going to go ahead and move along. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website for a small business. Maybe these colors don't quite go with your logo, your branding, your business cards, and you want to change it. Click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner, no coding, color coding necessary, and go through the various color palettes available. I really like this one as it stands out and it goes with my branding, although the red is pretty great too. I think I'm going to go ahead and stick with the red for now. Let's move along and head to upload image. If you've got your own images, browse your device and upload. Otherwise, search through the photo library. You can play around with the terms a little bit and search for various terms in the library and see what images pop up. Let's check it out. Awesome. There's lots of suitable images here, but I really like this one that I already have here. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it as is. Go ahead and choose one or upload your own. Over here, again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Click on update section and make the necessary changes. Buttons can link to various places. Right now it says contact us, which I'm going to go ahead and leave it as is. We can choose link. We can link to another website. Maybe you take online bookings on a calendar, third booking. Otherwise, you want to link to an action like click to call directions or click to email. So I'm going to link to click to email. Otherwise, you could upload a PDF file, a catalog of your different offers and services. Awesome. We've now made our way into the About Us section or About Me section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be, how you became a marriage celebrant. Do you just love and everything about it? Are you licensed and registered? What kind of couples do you work with? Is everything traditional? Is it very modern? Go ahead and put all the details under About Me or About Us. Your customers would absolutely love to hear your story. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of different services you offer. Do you offer renewal vows, destination weddings, small intimate weddings, perhaps commitment ceremonies, elopement? Go ahead and put all the details under services so your customers know what they can reach out to you for. We've now made our way into the lead form at the bottom. Over here, your customers can easily get in touch with you with their queries. All they need to do is put in their details, click and send. You will get notified via email that you have a lead via this form. You'll also find all your leads over in your Marty dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, click on connect your domain. So I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking it. If you're struggling, send us a message or add Marty sites as a user and we will go ahead and link your domain for you. Now, if you don't have a domain yet, click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Marty Sites platform. Over here in your Marty dashboard, you can find the leads from that form that I've just shown you. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your marriage celebrant business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback. Don't forget the service is going to cost you $9 a month and there is a free trial available for 7 days. Great thing about the Marcy Sites free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in to try the service like most other online services these days. So do give it a go. You've got nothing to lose.